Want to make a variety of lightweight block products? Still have a headache for changing equipment and process? Guangzhou Hengde provides you with one machine multi-purpose solution: aerated bricks, self-insulated bricks, ceramic blocks, EPS lightweight bricks, one production line, flexible switching, a variety of products easily. Our self-developed Hengde gantry flat vertical integrated cutting machine. Cutting accuracy of up to 1 毫米, neat corners, strong consistency of the finished product. Support for size customization, a variety of specifications at will. At the same time, we also support the customization of raw material formula, adapting to fly ash, construction waste, tailings, perlite and other types of materials. To save your costs and increase production value, a set of equipment, adapted to a variety of markets, exported to Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Africa and more than 30 countries. Build a factory and invest in it. Choose Hengde, save your heart and make money. Guangzhou Hengde Construction Technology. Welcome to visit our factory.